explain myself.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Sauce gotta cut up to you. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm currently bouldering at MOA sa Boulder World. And nalimutan ko mag-video and lumabas na ako to grab coffee. So, let's go! Ngayon. So, I ordered my coffee at BFC. My usual spam. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano malaglag kaka-boulder yung mamaya. So, dun tayo sa Boulder World. Yay! Init. Bon, say hi.
Hello po.
Oh, English only. Bawal Tagalog dito.
Hello. This is my first this is my first time bouldering. Wow.
Oh, pakitaan mo sila. Picturean kita mamaya. Mag-aura farm ka.
Takot.
So, this is my second time bouldering and I asked my best friend to join me. And as I've said earlier in the video, I am at Boulder World MOA and Boulder World has good space and the staffs are so nice, approachable and all, pero medyo naliliitan ako. And I want to try sa ibang bouldering gym, pero practice muna ako dito until ROI na yung bayad ko. If you want to try this is the sign to go for it. Pero be prepared to fall a lot. Like a lot. And don't forget to stretch. Kasi masakit sa katawan. As someone na laging nakakalimutan mag-stretch. And also, if pawisin yung palms nyo, I suggest na mag-jog kayo. Wear comfy clothes and bring extras if pawisin kayo. In my case, palms ko lang yung pawisin pero I still bring extras. Just in case na dumumi yung damit ko. And if wala, no first time ko kasi hiyang-hiya ako kasi baka i-judge ako doon, but people there don't give a fuck and they are actually very supportive. Yeah. Overall, it is a really fun experience and I would definitely try it again and again and again. And as someone who is currently hobby maxing, bouldering is really something that you should really try. Kasi nakakapagod siya and pag uwi mo, sleep ka na lang sa pagod and no time to overthink. or mamiss mo yung someone na who doesn't really care about you at all. And yeah, it's a really fun experience, and I hope I get to master this hobby alongside my other hobbies. So just stay tuned for more, I think. Yeah, sana wag akong tama din mag-video. Wish me luck, kids! So, ayun, for the meantime, watch me fall a lot. Kasi hindi ko yan magawa. Like, si Von, nakuha niya na flash. Tapos, hindi ko talaga siya kaya. So, ayan, tinuturuan niya ako dyan kung paano gagawin. Tapos, ayan, ipapakita niya din kung paano yung pinagkagawa niya. So, yeah, let's watch him do it. Because I can't. Wala nagtatagalog dito, guys. Lahat sila nag-i-English. Sheesh. Kamusta? Kamusta ang first time bouldering?
It's a wholesome experience.
Uulit ka pa ba?
I don't know. I will try next week.
Yes. Yes, next week.
English only.
Okay, ay, sorry. Yes.
Next question.
Rate your bouldering experience.
I would say for a newbie, it's 8 out of 10.
How hard is it?
For me, it's very easy. Very easy.
Would you recommend bouldering to your friends?
Yes, of course, definitely.
Yes, para dumami tayo.
It's very fun, guys.
Yes, you should try it.
To try it.
Yes.
Yeah, subscribe for more.
Nanginginig na yung kamay ko doon. So guys, puro Englishera at Englishera dito. Pero carry lang. So we're done bouldering for the day. Next week ulit. And yeah, punta tayo sa ibang activity. Let's go!
Ako din.
Hey guys!
No, huwag mo naman ibukis ang buong
Ay, sorry.
baka mahuli tayo.
Hindi, naka-private naman yung mga ano ko, yung mga vlogs ko.
Ito po siya, guys. Ba't di na lang tayo bumaba ng
So, well kids, that would be all for this video. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you on to my next adventure. Bye!